As you can see, we are right here. Can you read? I hope you can read. Arena Flora Hilltop. Now this is the adventure of Christine and Kim walking
Yeah.
up the hill.
We're
Up
going
the hill,
up.
baby. Let's see if we can survive this adventure. We will see. This is actually nothing. This is just the start. This is just the beginning of the
May
survival.
aso. Ayan. Buti pa itong isang aso, ang bait. Oh.
Tapos yung pala yung nakawala yung isang aso, no, yung mabait. Tapos hindi pala yung mabait. Ayan na, I can
Oh my
feel it.
God. Look
I
at
can
that.
feel it already, but we're just here. Nasa ano pa lang tayo, umpisa pa lang. My goodness. Hala. Good, nararamdaman ko na kaagad. Ang hirap. Pag-akyat.
Merong... Diyan lang po sa baba namili. Matatanggal na daw yung taba mo.
Pahinga muna tayo.
Wag na. Dire-diretso na tayo.
Hello dude, kakayanin ko ba to? Diyos ko. Ah, Aray. Aray ko.
As you can see, I'm not tired yet. But my...
May aso dude. May aso.
Oh my God. There is a dog. I need to come. Dude, hintayin mo ako. Dude, dito ka sa tabi ko. Dude, mukhang tatayo na siya. Ayun na.
Ito na mangyari. Huwag kang tatakbo ka.
Aray ko.
Huwag kasi sigaw. Nahihingal na ako. My God. I'm running out of breath. Ah.
Ay. Ayan, we're going up. Again, up and up to the hill. Oh my God. It was so tiring. Ito
We're
na.
not even 3/4 yet. We're not even half. We're not even halfway yet.
That's right. My God.
Ano ba yan? Bismillah. Kaya ko to. I can make this. I can
We
make
are survivor.
Survivor Philippines. Hi, yeah. Aray ko, balik ako to. Hello, dude. Ito na yung matarik. Can you feel it? Can you feel the pain? Because I do. I can. Ito na. This is it. What the... I'll just sing a song. And baby, it's amazing I'm in this maze with you. I just can't crack your code. One day screaming you love me loud. The next day is so cold. One day you're here, one day you're there, one day you're here. You're so
Ako naman,
unfair.
ikaw naman dito.
Sipping through my cup, still running.
Dude.
Ha? My goodness.
Ayan. Saglit lang. Kuha muna akong bulaklak. I need it. Oh my God.
Aray ko siya.
Sino nga yung ano? Yung
Papara papa.
Mia Mar.
Ah, Talia.
Talia.
Aray ko siya to.
look how ano ba,
Steep.
steep this way is. It's so very tiring
Aray ko.
to walk uphill. Hindi ko maano to.
Oh my God, I can feel the pain
I'm
already.
sweating na.
Aray ko, dude.
We can do it, dude. One more.
Ay, ay. Yeah.
Come on, dude. You can do it.
Fudge. Tangina, pag may nagpakitang ahas dito, hindi ko na lang talaga alam. Kung makakatakbo pa ako, wala na akong enerhiya.
Yeah, it's too scary along the way up
Ah,
here.
parang may
because
gumagalaw.
There's might be lots of snakes, so that's why we're just walking in the middle of the road. Okay?
Ah, finally.
I shouldn't do it. This is so scary. What naman?
Ah, finally, flat road. Ah,
It's not flat yet.
a little, you know, not too steep. Ah, I can't anymore. Ah. La 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 la. Baka magising yung mga ahas na natutulog. Pag silabasan. Mag-ask ng concert sa akin. Pag di ko sila pinagbigyan, kakagatin nila ako. Hala, ito na yung pinaka-steep talaga na road. Ito na talaga yon.
Yeah, this is it.
This is it. This is really, really is it ng bonggang-bongga.
Whew. Oh my God.
Yeah! Yeah! Aray ko, tangina. Buti na lang may stick ako. Aray. Parang puro pet ko naman yung nakikita.
Ang gusto mong gawin.
Ito na.
Marayuma ka na. Narirayuma ka na.
Ito yung paskip na talaga ng paskip. Ang tarik! Tara! Ah! Tulang! Ah! Aray ko po talaga, hindi ko na talaga kaya.
Pahinga muna tayo.
Baka may
We'll,
ahas na lumabas.
we'll have to rest first. My God. I'm so tired. I'm really tired. Dude, pahinga muna tayo.